This week you will learn how to make a business card in Photoshop. Create a new document, choose millimeters and the size 90 by 55. Make the color of the background black. Choose the polygon tool. The number of sides should be 5. Change the color to red or any that you like. Just create a big polygon. Move it until the document looks like mine. Click right on the polygon, blending option, bevel and emboss. Stop the video here to see all the settings. Now go to stroke, stop the video again. Now, under the polygon layer, create a new layer. With the rectangular marquee tool, create a thin rectangle and fill it with white. Make the opacity lower. Click right and deselect. Duplicate the layer, move it a little bit down and duplicate it again. Now put the text. In this tutorial, I'm just showing my idea of arranging them. That's it for the front part of the business card. Duplicate the file. It's time to make the back of the card. Now delete the text. You will put a new one. Now create a white rectangle with the rectangle tool under the polygon layer. Duplicate it 3 times. Now make brushes some icons. Go to Edit, define brush preset. I will leave these icons in the description box. Also, I will leave the template of this business card in the description, so if you want to use it, you can make suitable changes to it. Create a new layer. You can change its name. Choose the brush tool, choose the brush for web and make it smaller and black. If it doesn't look good from the first try, change again the size of it. Repeat this step for each icon. Now select with your mouse all the icons, layers and the 3 rectangles so you can move them a little bit to the right. This is just a small change to make it look better. Now it's time to write some data. Hope you learned something today. You can check my other videos for more Photoshop tutorials. Have a nice day!